Nova Credit Banking Service Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume international credit history can't follow you to the U.S., but Nova Credit bridges that gap, helping newcomers access banking and credit products faster. Nova Credit provides verified international credit reports that U.S. banks and lenders can use to evaluate creditworthiness. One standout feature is its partnership with major U.S. banks and credit card issuers, allowing newcomers to qualify for products like credit cards, loans, and digital banking accounts without starting from scratch. Most people assume building credit in the U.S. takes years. The surprising truth is Nova Credit can fast-track eligibility for financial products, helping users rent apartments, get loans, or manage finances more efficiently from day one. Their platform is secure, compliant, and easy to navigate. Another advantage is transparency. Users can view their international credit information, track applications, and understand how their history translates to U.S. credit scoring. This reduces uncertainty and improves financial planning for expatriates and immigrants. However, there are some considerations. Nova Credit works only with participating banks, and coverage depends on your home country's credit bureau partnerships. Some products may still require minimum deposits or U.S.-based identification. In conclusion, Nova Credit is ideal for newcomers to the U.S. who want to leverage their international credit history to access banking services faster. Its secure platform and bank partnerships make it a practical solution for building credit without starting from zero. Subscribe for more honest reviews of banking services before applying for your next account.